Crazy Chef, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making for you peanut porridge. Today we're making peanut porridge, so I figure I'd start this one with a nice scenery. You know, today we're beautiful day. So stay tuned for the video, stay tuned for the vibe. Peanut porridge. But the first thing I want you to do, I want you to hit that like button. Yeah, hit Crazy Chef peanut porridge. Let's get into the video. Let's get into the vibe. So the first thing you want to do is you want to wash those peanuts. You know, wash them with some cold water. And you want to make sure when you buy your peanuts, you buy the red ones. Yeah, make sure they're red. So as always, hit that hit that thumbs up button. Peanut porridge. So the first thing you want to do is you want to dump your peanuts in a pot. Make sure you get the nice red ones. And then what you want to do is you want to wash those peanuts with cold water. So after you wash those peanuts, what you want to do is you want to drain that first water and add new water. So in this, we're going to add cinnamon stick and a cinnamon leaf. And we're going to put it on the stove, boil it, and then we're going to blend. So the first thing we do is we turn our flame on, let our peanuts come to a boil. And we cook these for like 20 minutes. We cool them a little bit and then we put it in our blender. So put all the peanuts in the blender, put the water from that in also, and then you blend. There we go. So we're gonna cover, blend, and then we're gonna put it back in the pot and put our flame back. And don't forget, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We publish videos 2 days a week. Usually we publish on Mondays and Wednesdays. So we've blended our peanuts. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna put it in our pot and we're gonna cook. So dump the mixture in and flame on. So we dump the mixture in, we put our flame on, we wait for it to come to a boil. It's gonna get a little thicker. So now we're gonna put our flavor in. So we're gonna put like 3 tablespoons of vanilla. We're gonna put some cinnamon, some ground cinnamon. Maybe like 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon. We're gonna do some fresh grated nutmeg. So we're gonna get a nutmeg. You know me, I like to use that fresh nutmeg. And I like to work that nutmeg grater. So we put a cup of coconut milk. So we put a cup of coconut milk, whisk that in. And that coconut milk is gonna give you that vibe. It's gonna give you that creaminess and it's gonna give you that flavor. And peanut porridge is all natural. Most of the stuff is all natural. You know, we put a little brown sugar in there at the end. It just comes out nice. So coconut milk in, grated nutmeg. You can use ground nutmeg if you want, but I just like to work that nutmeg grater. I like the vibe. So put our nutmeg, put a little bit more, and then we mix. So when you grate nutmeg like this, you have to give it a little shake. And you whisk that in. And one major ingredient I forgot is like when you make peanut porridge, there's no gluten. So it is gluten free. So what we do is we take some oak some oatmeal, and we add it in there. So we add a cup of brown sugar. So we add a cup of brown sugar. So when you blend, you want to add some oatmeal to your mixture. I forgot that part at the beginning of the video, but I'm going to drop a detailed description. I'm going to drop a detailed description in the link below, in the description link. So all the portions and all this stuff will be there. So you let that bubble, as they say in Jamaica. You let that bubble and brings out. So as soon as it starts bubbling like that, it brings out all the flavor, all the sugar starts to, you know, it blends in nicely, and you can see it looks delicious. You give it a little stir, and it will get thick, but then it will get a little thinner. So don't add any additional water. And this is really good stuff. And as always, you like the vibe, subscribe to the channel. Crazy Chef, peanut porridge. It's a vibe. And I hope you like my view from the beach. Crazy Chef, thanks for watching. Peanut porridge.